good look at this and I'm going to go over it with him. But it's actually Jake it is who's Cosworth owner, and it's actually his daily. So the car's pushing, I think, around 400 brake, maybe a little bit more, not exactly sure, but it's definitely a stunning car. He won't be long now, he'll be with us and then we'll be heading down to the Scooby meet. So yeah, stick around. So Jake's just turned up now, and believe it or not, this is a Cosworth owner's daily. Isn't that right, Jake? And she absolutely, to be fair, he's not messing around. He is not messing around. So what is it, Jake? It's a
Evo 9 GT, the import version.
Evo 9 GT. How long have you had this, mate?
It's over 3 years now.
And it has never let you down. It's been your daily, really, haven't it?
Faultless, should I say. Daily, never let me down. I've never had no issues with it.
Starts, goes.
Sticks to the floor. And
What type of power is she running, mate? Do you know what she's had then to her?
Only just 1000cc injectors, the 20G bit upgrade on the turbo, just upgraded fuel pump, just basic stage one, just. And
then a good remap is in it. So it's about 400 brake. I mean, to be fair, you don't want much more from a daily, do you? It is absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully get her to go have a little pull in it. I've never been in an Evo myself. Nice Ricardos, fair play. It is nice, isn't it? It is really smart, bro. So it's just been pretty much like a standard looking engine, babe, but everything's been done right, correct. Like I say, it's been reliable for Jake. You do a lot of motorway miles in it, don't you, to be fair? Back and forth Manchester. But yeah, got these mirrors aren't standard though, are they? They're
WRC mirrors.
WRC. Nice little touches. See all the nice. So would this have been standard? The black colour they've done all this. So it's obviously had all the lips painted, all the back diffuser. What exhaust is it, Jake? Do you know? Miltech.
Miltech, yeah.
Miltech. Is it like a 3-inch all the way through, or is it?
I'm not sure. I know it's decatted, but
it's not ridiculously loud.
No, it's nice.
It's nice. Nice. Oh. Just a little sound bite. Sounds lush. Oh, a real nice note to it, haven't it?
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna have to take big fat boy here off for a quick drive. First time I've ever been in one, I gotta say. Interior is bang on. It's not too loud in there or nothing, is it? It's day, yeah. So what's that on the dash here? The tarmac gravel?
Tarmac gravel's the AYC. Basically all the grip and that basically and change it to different.
Will now help in different conditions. Fair play. It is really smart in there. It's pulse. Oh, she grips this. Jeez. It just keeps going and going and going, don't it? Bloody hell. Look at that. That's a nice bit of kit, that, Jake. Fair play. Hello, sorry about the wind noise here, guys. Fair play. So Jake was just saying to me then that this model is a UK, no, a GT.
GT is the import version.
It's the import version, so it comes with like the 5-speed, the stronger gearbox,
RS differential.
but it has, obviously, like you said, then all the comfort is in these as well.
Whatnot, like.
So that ACD button, that's what you use then to change from the tarmac.
From like tarmac, obviously if I was on like gravel,
put it into
loose stones, put on that,
gravel.
snow, just banging on that. It's like you take traction off the car, like.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Same principle that. I mean, it just comes onto boost, and it's. What kind of RPM do it starts boosting?
Well, it might be for 3.5.
But it's so smooth, and it does not let off, does it? It's been set up nice. Yeah, can't fault it. Lovely bit of kit. Oh, what? So comfortable, these seats are as well. It's gotta be said. Can you see them mirrors? Can you see much of it?
Yeah, I see fine.
See enough.
I'm used to them by now. Like, I have got the original mirrors, but they're just nice and tucked in. Don't need to fold them. Just
yeah, true. It's a first gear. Here we go. Here we go. Jesus Christ. Oh, me, bro. That's quick. That is quick. I'm struggling to say something again. I'm trying to tie over. It's got a little bit more power than the Scooby, I'd say. Yeah, man. So yeah, we're gonna head back now. Joys of flipping cars, smashed my phone to pieces. So I'm gonna go and grab my other phone, my old phone, and head on down to this meet now. So yeah, should be a bit of fun. We're in the old Scooby here. Luckily I had a spare phone, so literally gonna head down to Newport now, go and see what these Cymraeg Scooby club's all about. Looks like there's some great people in there. So yeah, heading down. We got Jake behind in the Evo. Should be a good few hours. Razzers on us. Oh, we got the razzers on us. So British weather is prevailing again. I think we're gonna just go along anyway, see if the weather can just stop. You know, I haven't even brought myself a coat, nothing, but yeah, we're gonna still come along. Got Jake in front in the Evo. Just had a little pull then, pulled on the Scooby. Absolutely gutted. Nah, it's okay. Such a nice car, so smooth. Definitely makes me want to complete this car now. I was going to do an engine for the. Let's get it up to about 400-500 brake. 400 brake would be lovely. It's more than enough. Like I said, it's a daily for me as well, this car. So yeah, let's keep going. I'll check back in now once we get there. But as you can see, the weather's just drying up a little touch now. Got Jake cruising in front in the gorgeous Evo 9. So we're here now. Let's have a little look over these cars. You have to bounce it off the limiter again, mate. Little sound check. He's back. So nice. Onto my one. It's so much nicer the front end, so oh god. Oh. Bowlers. This is nice. Look at this. Stunning. Stunning. Wide track STI. And the wheels. Scoobies. Adding fins on ya. So sorry guys, didn't get a lot of footage in. I'm just leaving Cymraeg Scooby meet. The weather was a little bit of a downer for everyone, but to be fair, cracking bunch of guys, very knowledgeable on the Subarus as well. So yeah, definitely going to be tagging along to a lot of their events. We're just going to head back now. I think we're going to see if we can find a meet for a general car meet up in Newport. So we're following Jake again here now in his Evo. We're going to let the car come up to temperature fully and yeah, have a little play, get there, hopefully see some cracking cars and try and get some better footage. I do apologise